Hello, it is me JP. Welcome to another exciting episode of Spider's Brew. Today we'll be doing the installation of Mike Lane's ultimate electronic kit. It's going to be fun, isn't it? So, but before we start, here is some important notice. Once the ultimate electronic kit is installed, you will be able to power KITT via any one of these methods. Via the USB-C power adapter, recommended. Via USB-C rechargeable power bank. Via a USB-C port or laptop, PC or Mac. You mustn't, I repeat, mustn't use the existing AAA battery box. Third-party power mods or alternative power sources. The inbuilt power mod on the dashboard monitors the Alpha Circuit Pro's USB power supply, replaces all that you need. So all that said, let's get building. Do close the camera. USB-C power adapter recommended. And the first thing it wants us to do is it wants us to meet the new circuit board, which is in this piece. Oh, scissors! And that is looking like that. That's front, and that is the back. QR code. Looking good. Then we have the cables. We've got cable 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but we go through that when I'm installing it. Also has extension cables, has LEDs and all that good stuff. You know what I'm going to use? Cushion of protection for part work upgrades. Medium. Right, there are 3 cables that need to be connected to the dashboard before installation. It is important that you are connected correctly and carefully to avoid damage to electronics. These are cable 1, looks like this. Cable 2 looks like this. Cable 3 looks like this. And cable 4 looks like this, and cable 5 looks like this. Then we got the extensions. So extension 1 has got all of these. That's extension 1. Extension 2 looks like that. I do believe we have 3 of them. I can't remember where the other one went. Ah, there it is. It's got 3 of them. Extension 3 looks like this. Extension 4 looks like this. Extension 5 looks like this. But if you need more, you can always get Mike Lane's extension cables, not just for this build, for other builds too. Recommended. Then we get, it has LEDs. Yes, it does. So it has a red LED that has a longer connection here, and it has a clear LED. Looks like that. It has another red LED, and that has a shorter connection. And then it has an amber LED, looking like that. Cable 1 dash to the Alpha circuit board. So here is this piece. So cable 1 that we saw will be going, quite simple, it says to the dash. That will be going, get this orientated correctly, here we go. So you can't go wrong because it says to dash. That will be going in here. There you go. That's one in. Then cable 2. Again, it says to dash. That will be going in the scanner area here. Don't want any fluff in there. And it is directional, so you can't go wrong. So that's looking like that so far, so good. And cable 3 will be going to the bit where it says top. So we go in there, top. So that will go in there like so. There you go. That's all that like that. Looking good, looking good. Right, that's that piece done. Now we're going to do the lower dash. So we need the lower dash bit. So we need this piece and this piece. So where it says lower, it's not this piece I need, is it? No, that's the scanner, you fool! That's the scanner! Wrong! Right, now we need this piece and this piece. And this will be going, so we got the lower scanner here. That will lift up. Now that will come out somehow. There you go. As far as it goes, don't force it, so that'll be looking like that. And then this will be going in this way like that. So facing this way. That'll just go inside there. So that'll go in like that. I'll just close there and that should keep that in place. Okay. That is that bit done. Something I forgot to do on the preparation is actually take this out as well. Go. Imagine if I forget to do that. Right, now we're going to install the circuit board. So what I need to do is take that to the side. Right, what we need is we're going to put it back where it was before. Now, and then we put it like we had before, facing this way. I should go like that. And the screws that we took out was the PM screws, which are the flange screws. We'll just put that back in. Again, not too tight, because it is a circuit board at the end of the day. Very expensive one at that. So what I might need to do is take this out as well. So let's carry on with PM screws. There you go, that's nice and tight. So it should be like that. Looking good. So now we're going to install the Pro speaker, which is this piece. So that will just go face down on there. Before I do that, I'm going to stick it in wherever that goes. That will be going in the S slot, which is that one there. So that will go like that. Then we get the piece that we took off, the holder. Here it is. And that'll just go on there like that. It will, you know. Stay. And that is going to be held in with GM screw. Now I'll try and figure out what the GM screw was like. Remember when I said keep everything together and write them down? Well, I didn't. Got screws everywhere. Oh, I think these are them here. So this is 42L. So that's that bit in place. So now we need the door switch wire, the fog light wire, the headlights, prop headlights motor, the overlight wire marked K, overlight wire marked W, tail lights marked E, and license plate wire marked P. So that's what we need now. Okay. Oh, here we go. So we've got the mark B for the door switches, I hope. That will be going there, I think. Or there. Nope, that one there, so that'll go in there. Got one for M. So got one for M. So that'll be going there. So we've got B, M, so E will be going. So we got E here. That will be going in that one there. That's better. K is this one. That will be going in there, like so. W, which is this one, will be going there, like so. P, which is this one, will be going there. And R will be going in there. Circuit board, we should have 8 connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to take this away. So what we're going to do now, let's get this piece and this piece. Should just slide in here. It will. Oh, there you go. Ah, there you go. So basically there's a little notch there, you just put that in there like that, and that should go like that. Okay, installing an electric dashboard next. That we just done. So I need a piece out of this one now. So we need this piece, and that would be just be going. How do they want to do this? So that would be going. Okay, so that would be going like that. So how do they want this in then? Oh right, okay, that wants it to go in here. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, this bit goes in here. Like that. So when it goes down, you've got... that goes in there like that. Ah, that makes more sense. Okay. So that just goes in this little hole. Oops. In this hole here. Try and make sure that goes over. That will go in there. That will go in there. Hopefully push you together. And then we get a BP screw. Try not to get it tight yet. Again, just get it hand tight. It's going into plastic. That probably get pushed back and away. Then we put this piece back on. So BP screws all around here, here, and here. So now we need this piece, and that will be going over here. So is that going to be? Yep. So the flat side facing upwards. I'll just go on top of there like that. Like so. Then this I'll just okay, it's going to be fiddly. Anyway, that's going to be held with, you've guessed it, BP screws. So that's looking like that. Okay. Next we get the monitors. My Klein monitors here. Here we go. And how this is going to go. What we're going to do here is the filler piece is going to go in there. So I got this upside down, so filler piece goes in there. Like that. And then we get this piece. That sort of goes how's that going to go? Because that's going to go there somehow. Okay. And that is going to be in like that. Somehow I'll try and get this in there. Okay. Right, anyway, when you put that on, then okay, right, I'll get that done and show you what it's like once it's on. And the back. Right, the easiest way to do this, because I got it stuck trying to get it out, is put this bit in first, put that on, hold it, and then just gently push this down and then put that in like that. This might spring out any moment. Anyway, then we stick in the cable 4 in there in the back. So that was the one, this one here, where it doesn't say anything on here. So that will be just going, hopefully those will just spring out. Yep, that will go in that one there. See, that's what I didn't want to happen, and it did. That's better, there you go. And then that happened. Okay, that's that bit done. Now we can put this in place. So these little thingy bits should go in there nicely. Okay, who's going to have a fight? We're going to have a fight. That'll be going on there, that'll be going on there. Right. Of course that fell out on me. Thank you for that. Right, I have to do this again. Anyway, there is this one, and this one. Should go there, there and there. But when this goes down, this is in the way. See if I can figure that one out. So again, holes here, here and here. That should fit into that one there, that one there and that one there. So I get all that done, show you what it's like. And the back. Right, if that third one is giving you problems, I snipped it off. The third digit, because that kept getting caught. Don't know why, but yeah, just cut it off. It should be fine. Yeah, it basically says make sure you try and swing round it, but I couldn't do it, so I cut it off. Anyway, then of course we need to screw it on. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Right, but before we secure it in, this needs to go behind here. Yeah, that is there. Okay, yeah, BP screw there, there and there. Screens are supposed to be where they are. Yep. Ooh, right, okay. Yeah, everything looks perfect. So that's what that's looking like now. Good. Right, what do we need now? So now we're going to put everything back to where it was. From stage 47 and 48 and 49. Okay, I'm going to put all the dashboard back together and show you what it's like when it's finished. And the back. Right, this is all back together, looking like that. That's all nice and secure like. The one for the monitor I've took out the side here, as instructions say, because probably take that out so it goes near the scanner later. Right, we're not finished there yet. It wants us to do some extensions now. So extension cable 1, I believe it's this one here, this piece. Just make sure it is. Yeah, it's this one there. Okay. So we're going to route the cables. So it does say here, the long scan cable, cable 2, should route it out the side of the dash panel on the driver's side. Please take care to ensure these cables are not damaged during the rest of the car's assembly line. Then we get extension cable 1. They take the extension cable 1 and route it with the existing cables along the length of the car. The cable will connect to the Alpha Circuit Pro to the connectors for the front side markers. It should route out the front of the car by the driver's side of the front wheel. Let's have a look. There we go. Need this piece. So that will go along here. I'm going to take two off the other extension leads. This one and this one. Where would they be going? And connect one to the socket label rev and the other socket label to the tail. Rev and tail. Okay. There you go, there's a rev there. And there's a tail there. And one with the side there. So, right, okay. That goes one in there, one in there, and I believe that one will be going on the side. I guess, there you go. That goes up that way, that goes out that way. Okay, that's that done. Mount the inner floor to the chassis and build instruction stage 66, taking careful route of the cables. You can now connect the following original cables to the alpha circuit. Right, okay, now we're going to put the cockpit back on here. I'll go out that way, I'll go out that way. So basically the stage 66 instructions, taking care to route the cables. So I will put the cockpit back on, get it done, show you what it's like. And it back. So it's starting to look familiar, doesn't it? There you go. This was actually easier this time. I struggled last time. Now I don't know if you remember, I broke the brake cable. I know why, because I put it on the wrong side. But I did get a replacement, and now if you can hear the brake now, because you need the brake for this. The brake is for when you want to go into Wi-Fi. You press the brake. Very clever. So that's all looking like that now. These are up here, that's up here, that comes out where it says it wants to. Can you hear the brake? The brake works. Right, we will continue because we'll be sticking things back in the board. Right, you can now connect the following original cables to the alpha circuit. So we have all from 44, we got F, D, I and V. Oh, you can't see that. Do apologise. So just put V in, then we get the D. The D fell out. Then we get the F and the I. There you go. Now if you didn't put Mike Lane's monitors in, then you can put G, H and O into the J socket, but we don't need that because we got the Mike Lane one. So then we get cable 1, which is this one, I think. Yep, is the bigger one. That'll be going into the monitors like that. So this one, right, this is cable 4, this is cable 1. This will go into the dash area here. And it's in. There you go. Right. So this is cable 1. This was cable 4. Right, now we're going to set up the scanner before I do these bits here. So what we need from the last one is this piece, and probably this, and the scanner. So we need to put this back in. That was secured with some screws. Little ones, I think. Go in your home because it's normal. So that's like that. So after we put this on, then we put this back in, and then we get this piece, and that'll just go on there, and that's going to be secured with whatever screws there were before, BP screws. Right, let's see if we can do this. That's right, we put the screws in there, like that one in there. So now we've got all bits inside. And we get this piece, that'll just go over the top. And again with BP screws, one there and one there. Like so. And now we got interchangeable. So we have red for KITT, yellow for car, global, so that will just fit in like that. That will just rest like so. Then we're going to put everything together. I will do that after the electronic test. Ooh, electronic test. Let's get the vehicle back up and get the power. USB-C. That would be going in. Oops. Where would that go in? Right. Just need to over there like that for a minute. See what I'm doing. So that will be just going in there. But we do have right there extensions, so we need extensions. So we've got the extension USB that will just fit in at home here. There you go, that's in. And then the USB, there's a slot just there for that to go in. Now this is marked DE. Yeah, I know I live in Germany, but I didn't want, hopefully this is actually in English, but if not, then I have to configure it on the computer. But for test purposes, we'll just put it in here. So that'll be going in this way. Like so. So that can go out the door as well. Right, let's put it on and test it. But I need to get some batteries for the remote control. Okay.
Drücken Sie nun die Taste 3. Sie das Bremspedal von KITT.
Right. As you can hear, that's in German. Now I've got to configure that back into English. Yes, yes. Okay, let's get that done and I'll be back. So change the language on your Mike Lane Super Electric Dashboard mode. but it's quite simple. So all you need to do is go to where your folders are. Well, first of all, plug your SD card into your laptop computer. That might help. Then you go into, come up here, then go to config. As you can see, it's DE here, and then just put EN, not EB, but EN, and then we save. Also, what you can do is go into audio. There is a file called music. You can put some music on there. I've put some 80s music on there. We'll test that out later. So that's how you change the language on the SD card. And back. So I've changed the language. So let's see if that works now. So let's plug it in. Okay.
You're awfully quiet.
One power on. Oh, there you go. Why is the monitors not on?
My remote monitors seem to be malfunctioning.
Yes, you're right. So if you bought the monitors before June 2024, you need to do an upgrade. Now to do this, as you can see, I've already got it, but I will take you through the steps. So first of all, you need to go to Mike Lane. Best to go to here first. Might be an easier way to do this. Prepare your model. All the instructions that are there, that's good, isn't it? And I believe it is it up at the top. Ah, here we go. So preparing the Mike Lane dashboard, so you just go here and then you download that and that. So once that is done, it's going to go to your download area, and then you're going to get zips. So you go to the controller updater and then just press the setup. I've already got it up, but when it comes up, I'll do it again. Come up with this, press more info, and then run anyway. And as you can see, I've already installed it, so that's what will come up, but yours will get installed. So after you do that, I've put the bit that we need to upload into another folder. Here we go. So that's where I put it. So then you come to your Mike Lane updater. This warning will come up. You press OK. Remove all your other bits and pieces, and then you press OK and that will come up. I haven't put it in, but when you connect the monitors to your PC or your laptop, this will come to a port. And then you go to here and connect your serial when it comes up. And then you go to this piece and then go to your bit that you want. So this one, and all you have to do is click update, but of course that won't be able to. And then that will update your monitors, but only if you bought it before June. And that is your guide to update your monitors. Now I've put the light off, so hopefully we can see this better. Screens are working. There, we're happy. This doesn't seem to work very well. Not too fussed about that.
You're awfully quiet.
Sorry, KITT. That will do that randomly, so you've got all the lights there. Now if we go through the dashboard mods.
Are you alright? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190 over 120 and your pulse is 104.
So what we need to do
Michael, what's our plan?
is see if you can see it. So just check there. Everybody see that? And you see the lights go here as well, so that's bonus points. Scanner on and off. See, it comes up in there. Turn that off. Oh.
My sensors are picking up some very strange vibrations. Are you alright? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190 over 120 and your pulse is 104.
So I've got everything connected, the lights and everything. So let's see if it works. What I'll do is put the scanner facing this way so it doesn't blind anyone. There you go. So put the side lights in, side lights front, side lights back, the reverse lights, the tail lights. Okay, I think that's all the lights we got in there. Let's see, press number 1 to turn it on. don't know if anyone can see that, but if I turn that light off with it, there you go.
Michael, there's a car following us.
You can just see in the... Okay. Does B work? Okay. The internal light should go on. Why is that not working?
Are you alright? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190 over 120 and your pulse is 104. The car of the future is already here. Me.
Or maybe... Why is that not working? Oh look, that's why. Come out again. Oh, okay. Why is B not working? And back.
You're awfully quiet.
As you can see, the interior light works. And it's got sound effects as well. Yeah, I do like that. Scanner's working, the fog lights are working.
Are you alright? I took the liberty of scanning your vital signs. Your blood pressure is 190 over 120 and your pulse is 104.
Internal
What's our plan?
top one's working. I do like that sound. What's next? So let's cycle through the headlights, shall we? As you can see, they go themselves. Fog lights go off. That's everything off. Don't know if they're supposed to go down further.
What is it, Michael?
Oh, we'll figure that out when we get to that stage. Right, let's go into reverse lights because all the lights are off now, and brake lights. Let's try that.
I'll show you what I have available.
First lights are working, front lights are working all by itself. So that was number 9, preservation mode.
I'll show you what I have available.
Sorry, I just like doing that. Okay. So number 7 was for the older lights there. Yes, happy. All lights are working. Now I can carry on doing the build.
Yes, Dylan. Kit, what's happening? I've tried to reach Michael forever now. Michael is indisposed.
Oh, you can't really see it, but Devin's actually on the screen there
Vocabulary banks.
when that came up. Right, also there is music. But I don't want to get copyright strike, so this is going to be a quick one. So number 6 was for the music, and there'll be a little music thing coming up on the screen there. Let's see if I can get that close up for you. If you press it again, because like I showed you before, I put some music on. Right, that's enough of that.
This sounds awfully dangerous.
And as you can see, the name actually came up, what the song is, and you got a little music thing there. Excellent. I love this. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So all lights are working. Material of what the lights are working. Everything's working. Now, like I said before, I don't know if these are all supposed to light up, but it doesn't seem to. Only that one comes on, the rest don't. Don't know. I would investigate and take it all apart, but I can't take all that apart again. Anyway,
Michael, there's a car following us.
I hope that helped installing it, and it's great. The only thing is, it's this bit here.
As Michael would say, thanks, pal.
Yeah, thanks. Anyway, if you'd like to get this for yourself, down in the description below, I've put where to get it, and very good. I'm very pleased. I probably could fix that bit there to get the light more through, but that means taking it apart again, and I can't. Not again. I've just put it together. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and very close to the camera. Fooled you, I'm too close.
My remote monitors seem to be malfunctioning.